Today, I am reviewing CyberpowerPC Gamer Master Budget Gaming PC 2025. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Today, I'm taking a closer look at the CyberpowerPC Gamer Master Gaming PC, a pre-built desktop design for gamers who want solid performance, upgradability, and an eye-catching design, all without breaking the bank. This model comes with the AMD Ryzen 530-600 processor, an NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Super graphics card, 16GB of DDR4 RAM, and a dual storage setup with a 500GB NVMe SSD plus a 1TB hard drive. Let's start with the design and build quality. CyberpowerPC is known for making gaming rigs that look as good as they perform, and this Gamer Master model is no exception. The tempered glass side panel lets you show off the components, while the RGB case lighting gives it that modern gaming aesthetic. You also get a gaming keyboard and RGB mouse included in the package, so you're ready to plug in and play right out of the box. Now, let's move on to performance. The AMD Ryzen 530-600 is a 6-core, 12-thread processor with a base clock of 3.6 GHz and boost speeds up to 4.2 GHz. This CPU has proven itself as one of the most reliable mid-range processors for gaming and multitasking. Whether you're playing esports titles, streaming, or even doing productivity work like video editing or photo manipulation, the Ryzen 5 has more than enough power to handle it. Paired with it is the NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650 Super, which is an excellent entry to mid-level graphics card. It comes with 4GB of GDDR6 video memory, and while it's not the most powerful GPU on the market today, it can comfortably run most popular games at 1080p resolution with medium to high settings. Titles like Fortnite, Apex Legends, CS, Go, and League of Legends will all run very smoothly, and even more demanding games like Cyberpunk 2077 or Red Dead Redemption 2 are playable at optimized settings. One of the best features of this build is the storage setup. The 500GB NVMe SSD ensures that your system boots up in seconds, games load quickly, and applications launch without delays. On top of that, you also get a 1TB hard drive for storing larger files like game libraries, media, or backups. This dual storage combination strikes a great balance between speed and capacity, giving you the best of both worlds. In terms of memory, the Gamer Master comes with 16GB of DDR4 RAM, which is perfect for modern gaming and multitasking. With this amount of memory, you can run multiple applications, stream gameplay, and switch between tasks without noticing slowdowns. The system also supports future upgrades, so you can expand memory or swap in a stronger graphics card down the line. Connectivity is also well thought out. The PC includes 6 USB 3.1 ports, 2 USB 2.0 ports, HDMI, DisplayPort, Ethernet, and built-in Wi-Fi. That means you'll have no trouble hooking up multiple peripherals, external storage devices, or connecting to the internet wirelessly if you prefer. On the audio side, you get 7.1-channel surround sound support, which makes this a solid choice if you're into immersive gaming audio or content creation. Cooling is handled through a traditional air cooling system, and thanks to the efficient airflow design, the PC runs relatively cool even during long gaming sessions. Of course, if you decide to upgrade components later, there's enough room in the case for additional cooling solutions as well. Now, let's talk about the value. CyberpowerPC has built a strong reputation for delivering gaming desktops that provide great performance per dollar. With this Gamer Master model, you're getting a balanced system that can handle everyday gaming, streaming, and productivity tasks, while also offering room for upgrades in the future. Considering it also comes with Windows 10 Home pre-installed, lifetime technical support, and a 1-year parts and labor warranty, it makes for a safe and smart purchase. To sum it up, the CyberpowerPC Gamer Master Gaming PC is a fantastic choice for gamers who want a reliable and stylish pre-built system. The Ryzen 5 processor and GTX 1650 Super GPU combination makes it capable of handling most games at 1080p with ease, while the dual storage setup ensures speed and space for your needs. The included peripherals, RGB case design, and solid connectivity features make it a great out-of-the-box solution for someone who doesn't want to spend hours building a PC themselves. If you're looking for a desktop that balances performance, aesthetics, and value, the CyberpowerPC Gamer Master is definitely worth considering. It's especially well-suited for casual to mid-level gamers, students, and even content creators who want a machine that can handle more than just gaming.